Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marina and today's video will be an ultimate clean with me. We had a pretty busy week and a couple of sleepovers, so I definitely had to get this house back on track, and I will be cleaning my kitchen, dining room, living room, and of course I will tackle the laundry. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe if you're not already, and let's just jump right into it. So I'm starting off in the kitchen. I'm gonna take out the trash and recycle, and I know I do need to get another bin for the recycle. Then I will head into the bedrooms and get all of our bedding and get those washed. So I am the dishwasher in this house. There is no dishwasher, so I will be hand washing these and letting them air dry. Now that the dishes are done, I'm gonna let this powder sit for a second, and I will have all the cleaning products listed down below, and then I am going to wipe down the countertops and the oven. Then I will scrub down the sink.
We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're out of time, and you, I got you. You got me, got me. You got me, got me.
Heading into the dining room, I'm gonna get everything put away where it belongs. Then I'm gonna wipe down the table and hutch, which I recently chalk painted. So if you're interested in seeing that video, I will have it linked up above and down below.
Don't you need me too? 'Cause I got you, and you got me too. Feels like time is going faster than it seems. We were just two kids who were trying to live the teenage dream. We could see no reason why we should ever try to go to sleep. Remember every weekend we stayed up late and then went home to me. I wish that I could live that dream again. 'Cause it was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, and nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me.
And these are still here. I had these buffet trays for my daughter's birthday party, but I will just move them out of the way for now, and once my husband gets back from work, he will move them into the garage.
Baby, it was right now. I'm looking at an old picture of you. Skinny jeans and blue eyes that could light up every room. Guess they still do. We used to talk all night about how we thought life was gonna be. forever. You taught me how to love.
And same for the living room. I'm gonna get everything put away where it belongs. And this sheet on the couch, I have it on there because one of my dogs sheds a lot. If any of you know of a good, I don't even know what it's called, couch cover for shedding dogs, please let me know in the comments.
We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, and nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me. Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past.
Now I'm gonna vacuum with the Shark Ion F180, I believe. This works great for picking up dog hair. I will leave it down in the description box if you're interested.
They say I was broken. How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. To be cool, even wear that shirt you wanted to. My friends think I'm lame. Since I met you, I am not the same. It was not meant to be a fairy tale with a happy end. Girl, you take care now. I hope we can be friends. They say I was broken. How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
To mop my floors, I'm just using a little of the lemon pine sol.
I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time. I'm not broken, not broken, not broken. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
thank you so much for watching, and if you made it this far, thank you again. It really does help me out, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye!